Hi, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around. Looking for a clean pickup? This might be the one for you. This is the 2018, the Ford F-150. Stock number is 7473. Take notice of the exterior condition on this 4x4 edition F-150. No scratches, no dents, no dings. Power rear slider, super low miles. Side steps for easy access. We're going to show you the rear interior right here. Of course, leather. Nice comfortable ride in the rear, ample legroom. Dual moonroof. And no virtual video walk around would be complete without putting you in the driver's seat. Of course, they're power. Fully loaded pickup, ease of access to controls up front. My gosh, we need to go for a test drive. I might go drive her myself. For more information on this truck or any others in our inventory, it's quite big. Give us a call, email us, text us, better yet, come on down. We'd like to meet you in person and hopefully earn your business. We hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Make it a great day.
Sunset Ford of Sumner, right on Highway 410. You just get more at Sunset, and people do like that.